Welcome to Retired for Life. I'm your host, Brian. I retired a few years ago after 30 years in a factory job as a machinist in a millwright. I needed to rediscover what life could really be like. When we purchased this property, the house had stood empty for over a year, and the property had been badly ravaged by poor logging practices. Since my retirement, I've been working to renovate the home and restore the surrounding forest to its natural beauty and attract wildlife back to the property. Join me as I learn about nature and working with wood to create the backdrop for this new chapter of our lives. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So we've got a nice day. We have had so much rain. It has been a very wet spring so far. It's just unreal. But that means everything is beautifully green and that kind of stuff. But trails are still questionable down at Bowmore. It's still really wet around there. And we've got really just this one day before we get a couple more days of rain. So I should be working on the RV trailer, taking these tent ends off, but we've been talking to the people who are making them, and they actually don't have enough material to do it right now. So I'm going to put that aside. But this is a big job that we're going to get to really soon. And then the next big job is going to be continuing work on the siding of the house. We've done the one side, basically we've done the two walls of that small storage room that sticks out the front of the house. This year I want to get the entranceway, the wall beside the entranceway done, and maybe even the wall that's facing out into the driveway done. So we've got a lot of stuff to do. But today is going to be just a little bit of tractor therapy time. I want to get some of our equipment down to the tractor equipment yard in the bush. We've got to get the chipper down there, the snow blower, and a few of the front end attachments down there, and get a little bit of grading done to improve the level of the location for that equipment. So we're going to head down now, drop off the backhoe, and come back and get the 3-point hitch assembly hooked back up and get the grader box on, and then head back down and make sure we've got reasonably level locations for those two big pieces of equipment, which is the chipper and the snowblower. We want to get them nice and flat so they're easy to hook up, get them covered up, that type of thing. So let's get to work.
Make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down, 'cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short changing and receiving, girl, you best believe me behind, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. State the truth, spit it out, I'm waiting. Don't leave me contemplating my own life. Save the bullshit for another man or lover. Don't need a 4-leaf clover to decide, 'cause I'm coming on strong. The grass should have looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short changing and receiving, girl, you best believe in me behind, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Yeah, 'cause I'm over easy tonight. Who wants a lady without the thrill of chasing, like taking cotton candy from a child? Too many answers, and all we need is questions. You ain't giving this
All right, folks, I think we are flat enough now that I can bring back the wood chipper and the snow blower and just see how it feels putting them in here. Now there's the skid there for the grater box, so we're going to take the grater box off and start transporting our stuff back here. Now it's got to feel like it's going to sit fine. If it feels like it's at all tippy, then I've got to do something else. But I think we're in pretty good shape. So I'm gonna put the wood chipper in there and the snow blower back at the back of where the tractor is sitting right now. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, folks, so there is the snow blower all tucked away down here in the equipment yard. It's good to have it down here. I'll have to make sure I remember to get it up there early enough so I'm not caught by an early snowfall or something like that, because that could cause a problem getting in and out of here if things got too slippery. All right, we've got a couple more pieces of equipment to bring down, but it is Friday and it's late. I'm going to go back and have a late lunch, and then we are going to do our Friday union meeting get together over at Arts to see how he's coming along with his building. All right, let's get something to eat. So in this clip, I managed to forget to turn the microphone on. Basically, I'm bringing the wood chipper down and setting it up. Now, the ground is a little soft, so to make it as easy as possible to move the wood chipper around, because it's such a heavy piece of equipment, I've put some boards underneath it to help make sure it's nice and level, and then I can slide the wood chipper around on those boards much easier to get everything lined up to the 3-point hitch of the tractor. Well, that's pretty much it for having the equipment yard set up. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with how everything is positioned here. We've got our 3 trailers, actually 2 trailers and 1 log arch. And back there is the backhoe. And then we have got the wood chipper, the snow blower, and underneath that is the grapple. Then 1 toolbox. I've got to get something else for a toolbox back here. I think I'm gonna go looking for a job box. And then of course I've got my grater box and my scraper blade. And over on that side is the forks. So, yeah, everything is in good position. Now we're dealing with some more really weird weather, so I'm not really sure what the heck is going to happen. So I still can't really start on the siding or on the RV trailer. So what we're going to do is finish today off by putting the backhoe back on and dig out some rocks and try to make our pathway back in here a little smoother yet. It's coming. That's what I spent a fair bit of time doing yesterday in between the steady rain showers, was grading back here, and things are looking pretty good. All right, let's get the backhoe in place and then get down here and try to take out a couple more rocks. We'll see how that goes. That's often a bit of an adventure. All right, folks, we got 3 rocks along here. We'll try to take up one at a time, see how it goes, find out how big they are. All right, let's take a shot at the first one and see what happens. Yeah, easy. So I'm going to turn the tractor around, flatten this area out, and then move to the next one. All right, here we go, rock number 2. Pretty sure I'm not going to get so lucky on the next one. All right, folks, we've been working away like crazy back here in the equipment storage area and done very well. Done a lot of grading, pulled out a lot of rocks. Been back and forth between rain showers the last couple of days, but I think tomorrow the weather is going to change. So we can stop doing make work projects like this and actually get started on what we should be working on. So it's still going to be a coin toss as to whether I start on the RV or the siding. We'll see what happens. All right, folks, thanks very much for watching. Remember to stay safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time.